Hello friends. Right now we are looking at our dashboard. So this is how our dashboard is going to be looking like after signing up. So now we have joined the site and we are going to see how we have to first arrange our dashboard, our account before we start uploading. Now what we do, we come here at this dashboard. As you see it, net sales 00, earnings 00, previews 00, and everything, because it is basically a new account. Okay, so now we are going to ignore the product section, orders, withdraws, and settings. Are you seeing here? Then here, other stuff that you'll happen to do what? To understand. Now what we do, we go to the store. So we want to set up how we would want our store to look like. So we would first give it a picture. So you select a picture. If at all you haven't uploaded it, you come and click on upload file. Then you select the file. If I click select, so it takes me back to my computer. Then from your computer or phone that you're anything that you're basically using to upload, whether phone, anything that you're using to sign up, whether phone or a computer or a laptop. So from there, since for me I've already imported that image, it is here. Like after clicking here, then you select it, you import it, it comes to media. Then from media you select it and click this button here. Are you seeing that? So this is something just like I'm showing you an example of what should be uploaded, but you should make sure that you design the size that you happen to see. Let us go back and I show you the size that is recommended, this size, for your design to be better, looking better. So from there, you select it, okay? Then you choose to crop it. Okay, so it is already here showing me it has been what? Rejected. Okay, because it is too small. So I go for another picture for my site. Let me see, I have some pictures here for. Okay, so I go for a picture that is of a good width. I go for this one. So the moment it is uploaded, so it crosses over to media library. Then we give it some minutes so it loads up. Then we select it here, clicking this button. Then we select that. Because I was already having something here. Crop image. So that one has gone there. Then this one for the banner is the one disturbing. Let's see. So this one needs us to directly design of the other size that I showed you. So we can first ignore that and we continue. So do you want to show your terms? Let me first go back here. Now the other information that we filled in at the start, it automatically comes up here. These are the products number that you want to show on one page. So we continue to the bottom. Then when it comes here, if at all you want to have some terms and conditions for some people that are downloading your music, your courses, so